zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing another client build. This is a $6,000 computer on the Core P5. We aren't going to be doing a lot of modding, but we are going to be doing some pretty sweet liquid cooling, so stick around if you guys want to see this. So to start off with a build like this, we like to test the components on air cooling. Now the reason we do this is because we don't want to make a system, put all the liquid in, and then find out that we have a bad motherboard, then have to take it all apart and then send the motherboard back to the store where we got it from. So air cooling is the way to start, and once that's done, then we can go ahead and add all of our liquid cooling components onto the system. G'day guys, here's where we are up to with the build. This is client build number 1. A $6,000 build. We have a Titanex card there, and we've got all the water blocks installed and everything like that. Got all the fittings ready, and we're pretty much up to routing the tubing. So the only modifications that we're going to be doing with this is obviously liquid cooling, but we also had to drill a couple of holes to install this pump, because normally you would install a pump reservoir combo. So yeah, we had to drill those holes to get that installed, and then we're going to route some tubing from the reservoir to the pump, and that should look very clean. So we're going to go with a UV green coolant and add a bit of UV LEDs around there to light that up, make it look nice. We also have the valve here for draining the liquid once we need to, and filling will be quite a breeze. We simply just fill this up, then we'll add the tubing, let it run through, cycle through, fill it up some more, and then add the tubing in. So it's a pretty simple design and concept. We have the sleeved cables here, but unfortunately our 24 pin does not fit this PSU. The pin out is a different sequence, so we couldn't use that. And we have this fantastic looking motherboard, the Maximus VIA formula, and it includes some inbuilt liquid cooling on it. And we've got EK water blocks cooling here, and we have the Thermaltake pump. We've got these Thermaltake RGB ring fans, and underneath we have a controller which will control their different lighting mode and speed, so we can run them quiet if need be, or just, you know, change the color of it to our preferred color, or we could just leave them sort of color changing because they are RGB. So we did decide to mount this in a different way with the rinser cable, the extension thing here, and that'll in turn show off the front of the card. This is the Titanex, so we're going to get some nice frame rate in our games, and it's also got a lot of VRAM, so we can be doing some 4K gaming and everything like that with no troubles at all. Here we have the Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. It's a very low profile RAM, and it is a really clean look. It fits nicely with this overall theme, and once we've got the UV green coolant run through all here, I think it's just a nice sort of highlight to it all. Anyway guys, that's where we're at with the build, and we'll see you in the next update. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching guys, your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.